showing you how to make scones. So easy to make and great for this winter cold. Ingredients you'll need: self-rising flour 600 grams, 25 grams of softened butter, half a cup of caster sugar, a pinch of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 2 cups of milk and 1 egg. Whisk the egg into the milk like I'm doing here. Then get your flour all weighed out. Add the salt, the butter and the baking powder to the flour. You're going to rub in the butter. Then you'll add your milk. Preheat your oven 180 degrees. If you're finding your dough too runny or soft, add some more flour. So now I'm pouring in the milk and I'm going to mix it. Once all mixed together, I'm going to put some cling wrap and let it stand for 20 minutes. Meanwhile, spray your dishes. Okay, dough has been resting for 20 minutes. I put mine in a log. Now I'm going to cut it. Cut it into the size you like. I cut mine into squares, but you can also do circles. I'm going to bake these for 20 minutes. Get some milk, put milk on top of each little scone. I'm just using my hands so it's easier. I'll show you how to make some chantilly cream. There's the scones right out of the oven. Wrap them in tea towel to keep warm. Chantilly cream, icing, sugar, vanilla and cream. Thickened cream I used. Give it a whisk and there you go. And voila! Enjoy, guys!